Good afternoon. I'm Mia Braun.
And I am Anaya Thomas.
Today is April 11th, 2013.
Today we'll be talking about the recent arrest of Captain Hook out of Neverland.
The plaintiff is Neverland filing a lawsuit against the defendant, Captain Hook.
There are reports of contempt of court by Captain Hook during the arrest.
Captain Hook has the right to due process of law and the right to a jury.
We will let you know when we hear more about this case.
Now to our reporter, Michael.
Yeah, I'm outside the courthouse, and now we are just now witnessing Captain Hook going into trial. Back to Anaya and Mia. Captain Hook, how do you feel about this? Captain Hook, any last words?
Good afternoon. I'm Mia Braun.
And I'm Anaya Thomas, and we're back with the breaking news on Captain Hook.
Today is April 28th, 2013.
Earlier this morning, the offender, Captain Hook, appeared in court and stood before the grand jury. With all the evidence and sides accounted for, they have charged Captain Hook not with a misdemeanor, but with a felony.
The plaintiff is going to sue Captain Hook for his torts. Now to our reporter, Michael Kenny.
Thank you, Mia. We are just outside the courthouse, and we are about to announce the verdict. Thank you, and back to Mia.
Good afternoon. I'm Mia Braun.
And I'm Anaya Thomas.
Today is May 28th, 2013.
We are back to you with the Captain Hook case from Neverland.
We have heard that the arraignment that Captain Hook has pleaded not guilty.
He was summoned and his court date is now set for July 13th, and the bail will soon be announced.
Good afternoon. I'm Mia Braun.
And I'm Anaya Thomas.
Today is July 13th, 2013. At noon, Captain Hook showed at his trial and presented his case to the jury.
The victim, Tiger Lily, presented her side to the case to the jury as well.
Mr. Smee's testimony was that he saw Captain Hook take Tiger Lily and tie her to a rock in the ocean.
After 45 minutes, the jury chose the verdict and decided Captain Hook guilty.
According to the North Carolina made statute stating that the maximum punishment for kidnapping is 3 years, and the judge sentenced Good afternoon. I'm Mia Braun.
And I'm Anaya Thomas.
Today is August 3rd, 2013. Here's more news on the Captain Hook case.
We're back with the case out of Neverland.
The mandatory sentence in North Carolina for kidnapping is a Class C felony.
Captain Hook was found guilty of a Class C felony.
Captain Hook was sentenced to 3 years in jail.
Thanks for tuning in.
Bye. Based on all evidence and witnesses, Captain Hook is found guilty and sentenced to 3 years in prison.